Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Gusso Disc Golf Set. This set includes 12 pieces disc golf discs, that is 4 pieces putter, 4 pieces midrange, 4 pieces driver. Also come with disc golf backpack, which could hold 28 plus discs. This disc golf bag has 4 rubber cushions equipped on the bottom to make sure it's strong enough to stand upright on the floor without any tipping over. Also, this bag is machine washable. When it get dirty, just put it in the washing machine. This whole disc golf backpack is reinforced with thick sandwich foam on the shoulder strap and the back, for comfortable wear even for long transport. The shoulder straps are length adjustable, and could fit for any ages wearing. The disc golf discs are made of DX plastic for more durability, which could withstand hits and collapses. The backpack for disc golf discs is waterproof and sturdy designed. This disc golf set with a bag set could serve you a long time. This disc golf beginner set is packed with all a new player needed for a fantastic disc golf game. Valuable bundle with backpack and discs. Just choose Gusso Disc Golf. Our second best disc golf driver is D Dynamic Discs Disc Golf Starter Set. This starter set is perfect for new players. The Dynamic Discs Prime Burst Starter Set comes with everything you need to play disc golf. Inside you will find 5 of the most popular discs from Dynamic Discs along with a Burst Mini. The disc molds in this set were hand-picked by world champions at Dynamic Discs and are everything you need to head to the course and improve. Improve your scores with the correct disc in your hands. Set includes the 2013 Disc of the Year, the Judge Disc Golf Putter, World Champions Choice EMAC Truth Midrange, the Escape Fairway Driver meant for straight and accurate shots, 100% money-back guarantee. Dynamic Discs offers the most consistent flying discs in all of disc golf. If you lose a disc, pick up the same mold and have the confidence that it will fly just like your old one. Third in our list is Westside Disc Golf Driver. The Westside Discs Origio Burst King is the fastest disc for all levels of players. The King is designed to allow the average player to experience a long-distance flight. The Origio Burst King features a wide rim for easy grip as well as a nice high dome that traps the air and allows it to glide for extreme distances. For experienced players, the Westside Discs Origio Burst King will be a long flying distance driver that can double as a roller. For less experienced players, the King provides a full and dependable flight. The Origio Burst King features flight ratings of speed, 14 glide, 5 turn 1.5 fade. Not only do we promote culture, but also attention to quality in our discs. If you're looking to improve your game and need a company willing to work as hard as you, look no further than Westside Disc Golf Never Sleeps. Number 4 in our best disc golf driver list is Westside Disc Golf Driver. Designed with the new player in mind, the Westside Discs Origio Burst Underworld will allow any player to accomplish the desired shot. The Origio Burst Underworld features a sleek flat top profile with a narrow rim translating to clean releases on maximum distance drives from the tee box. Origio Burst plastic will have an incredible feel and excellent grip even when the weather will compromise your hold on your favorite disc. These are all secondary benefits to this incredible line of discs. Our guiding intention was to bring a product to market that was affordable for beginners looking to test the waters. This disc is durable, predictable, and priced to grow your game and your bag. This is the perfect disc to start your disc golf journey. Our last pick is Yikun Discs Disc Golf Driver. The Twin Swords is the first rollout disc model from Yikun in their tortoise-lined plastic, which is their overmold shell configuration. The rim is attached to the flight plate through their own unique method, giving the discs an amazing look. The Twin Swords is a distance driver with a speed 12 rating and wide, yet comfortable rim width. The Twin Swords is a unique and exciting new offering to the disc golf world, earning a spot in the bag for players at all levels. The rim part plastic has higher density than the core part, which provides discs with larger rotational inertia than traditional golf discs. Twin Swords is a stable distance driver made in a new technology. This fast driver with great grip is ideal for all-weather play and forehand throws.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!